Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talks by Gaurav Sharma. Everybody's talking about AI these days, right? AI this, AI that, LLMs, and generative AIs, agentic AIs, everything, right? But if you are a firewall administrator, you want to know how AI can help you in today's world, right? And that's why you have me. We're just going to go over some of the use cases that you can utilize AI for to make your life easier, right? So if you are a security customer, Cisco Security Customer, you have access to Cisco Security Cloud Control. And if you have access to Security Cloud Control, then you have access to all the Gen AI or AIOps for firewall, right? Let's just take a look at this, right? Right here, I have, let's see, this is the Cisco Security Cloud Control dashboard, and in here, as you can see on the top insights and alerts, kind of showing you a lot of stuff that's happening within AIOps. Kind of gives you an idea of what's going on. But on the left, if you see, there are firewalls, like all the security solutions that you have integrated into Cisco Security Cloud Control, because Cisco's vision is about going up, having a platform for everything. So one place to go to for all your security needs, right? So right now we're integrating all of those into Cisco Security Cloud Control. But today we're just going to look at it from a firewall admin standpoint, right? So in here on the left, you see firewalls. I clicked on firewalls, and in firewalls, go to insights and reports. Within insights and reports, I click on summary. And in summary, it kind of shows you like literally like what's going on in your firewall environment based on severity, and you're able to just easily click on them, and then it will just take you there to kind of address whatever is going on there. But let's just look at what all different options are here, right? So policy analyzer and optimizer, that's one of the features that AI ops provides. And essentially what it is AI policy analyzer and optimizer uses AI to make sure there are no shadowed rules, there are no overlap, making sure there's a good hygiene in your access rule set. Because if you have those extra rules, it kind of leaves there could be a security risk, there could be performance risk, they could be hogging onto bandwidth unnecessarily. So this kind of provides a good overview of what's going on from a access policy standpoint. So I'm going to click on one of these policies here. It's called breach protection, and on the right it says view analysis details. Let's click on that, and now here it's pretty cool. It kind of shows you just an overall health of that policy, right? In here it shows duplicate rules, let's see, fully shadowed or redundant rules, right? So let's click on this one. It says observation 2 is 4 rules are fully shadowed by AIOps test 4. Let's see. So, well, rightly so, we don't see any hits on the rules that are below AIOps test 4. So it kind of tells you like these rules are just there, but they're never being utilized in anything. So it kind of gives you an idea of like, hey, what you need to get rid of and all that stuff, right? There are mergeable rules, like there are, kind of gives you observations, right? Hey, this rule can be merged by combining destination networks values into one rule. I mean, it basically gives in human language of what you could do to kind of make it more efficient, right? There are 2 rules, it's telling you to merge those, right? Object overlapping, policy insight kind of gives you information around, hey, what's coming in from a login perspective. And then you have best practices and recommendations. So in here, this is giving an overview of all the devices that are sitting in here that are integrated to this specific FMC. Checks requiring review, 33% improvement potential. So it's pretty good, right? Like you're able to get an idea of what's going on in my environment, right? And you click on this one, and this kind of shows you at an access control level, at a control plane level, what are the things that you could do. And once you have that information, you're able to take action on them as well. What else? Let's see. The other one is feature adoption. So I really like this one. So there are two folds to why I like it, because as an admin, you want to be able to utilize everything you've bought, right? And you also want to know, the second fold is you also want to know that what you thought you're going to use, are you using that? But if there's no good way to tell that until now, but now you can see like, hey, how many features are we like entitled to, and how many are we using, how many are they're like from an adoption perspective, are we using those or not? And if you're not, then you should be using them or getting rid of them. You have to make that call. But from a feature perspective, it definitely shows you what is recommended. And then we look at the software upgrade planner. I mean, right now, you probably struggle with like, hey, what's the latest code? What's the recommended version? So it's all in here now, right? It kind of shows you for your devices, for each device, kind of shows you what suggested version looks like, what that version entails, what are the fixes that it has, how many bugs does that fix, and how many, like, what's the estimated downtime for it. So, and like over here, as you can see, for the new features, it kind of shows you what are the new features that are coming in as part of this. So I think it just makes life of an admin a lot more easier to be able to say, hey, this is what I'm upgrading to, this is what this code fixes, these are the new features that it brings, and this is the downtime I'm looking at when I'm talking about getting there. So I really like it. Hopefully you guys too as well. Application insight, that's just another well, right now it's not showing any information here, thanks to the demo gods, but what it shows is like if you are dealing with any application, it kind of shows you just health of your applications, right? If there are any outages going on with, if there's an outage going on, and what are we doing with them? Are they currently resolved? Is there an active outage going on? So stuff around that, right? And like here, it's what are we monitoring, right? In this example, we're monitoring all these applications. I know why it's not showing up, but these are applications we're basically monitoring. So if it goes down and all that, you have visibility into it. So yeah, these are the features that AIOps brings to the table when you are a firewall customer. And because you're a firewall customer, you already have access to cloud control. And with cloud control, you're able to use this AIOps. You're able to use AI as a firewall admin to make your life easier. Well, let me know how you liked these features and these enhancements, or any feedback, or just reach out to your accounts team and they'll set you up. Thank you.